Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to view and export Thunderbird files to PDF files? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for Thunderbird to PDF files. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird Accounts. Select Open Thunderbird Configured Account if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload emails without Thunderbird installation on your system. Wait as the software is analyzing the Thunderbird folders. The tool lists all the Thunderbird mailboxes in the software interface. The compact view helps you to hide system folders. Also, the root folder to facilitate the conversion. So, enable it as per your need. Here, click on the Thunderbird mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way you can preview the Thunderbird emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save Thunderbird folder into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract phone numbers, email addresses, phone numbers from the Thunderbird mailbox. So, let's click on the Export tab and select PDF option. Now, please select the desired Thunderbird mailbox, and deselect the rest folders. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Include Properties. If you want to see the emails with their respective HTML properties, then enable the option. Other is Show Page Numbers. If you enable this option, then it allows you to insert page numbers in PDF document. The last one is Save Attachments in a Folder. Enabling this option, you have the freedom to save attachments in a separate folder. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live conversion of emails into PDF file format. You can also see the email count exported into PDF files. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from Thunderbird folder to PDF file. Click on OK button. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the Thunderbird mailboxes are successfully exported to PDF format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view and export Thunderbird emails to PDF file. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.